Hi, in this video I will be taking you through column mapping in Blackboard Learn Ultra Original View, what most courses at Bath University use within Minerva. Column mapping is the final step of the grade journey process before extracting students' grades. The mapping will take the information from your assessment columns and translate it into grade journey columns, from which the data will be transferred into SITS, as SITS is unable to take the grades directly from the assessment columns. Before you complete this step, you will need to make sure you have a column containing the marks for each assessment item as set out in your module handbook, and that you have checked all your students are enrolled on the module. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the column mapping process for a straightforward situation where you are mapping one piece of work into one grade journey assessment column. The process becomes a little more complicated if you have an assessment which has been split into several pieces of work which were submitted and graded separately. For example, if students have to submit both a sketchbook and a report on it, yet they count as one assessment in student records. In this case, see the guidance on weighted columns in Apollo. You will be able to map your columns as soon as the grade journey columns are made available within your modules. The columns will look like this, and you can make sure that they are grade journey columns by checking that it says GJ at the start of the title. To avoid confusion for students, your grade journey columns should also have this symbol, which means that they are not visible to students. For this video, I will be mapping this assessment column titled Essay into this grade journey column with the same title but GJ at the start. If you have changed your assessment title since you submitted your course handbook, the GJ column might have a slightly different name, but this won't matter as long as you haven't changed how much the assessment is worth to your students' overall grade. If you have changed the percentage value of each assignment, or anything else such as removing assignments, or if a student you were expecting to see within your grade centre isn't showing up, you will need to contact Student Services. Now, to start mapping. Within your full grade centre, you need to select and go into the Grade Journey column menu using the drop-down arrow. Then select Edit Column Information and scroll down to the Select Columns section. Do not change anything other than the information in this section. From here, you will need to find and click on the column you want to get the data from, in this case, the one called Essay. Next, click the arrow to bring it across to the Selected Columns box. Fill in the percentage box with 100 for 100%. It looks like you could weight multiple columns here, but don't be tempted. Although the system will let you do it, later on, when the grades are being extracted, it will stop it from working. Now all you need to do is click Submit, and the grades will map from the Essay column to the Grade Journey Essay column, and will show up as letter grades which correspond to the marks. For example, a mark of 70 in an undergraduate module will show up as an A in the Grade Journey column. If the letters don't match the marks, then you may have mapped the wrong column, or if they display all Fs, you could have incorrectly entered the points possible, which always needs to be set at 100. If you are a tutor only in this module, your job is done. It is now up to module and subject leaders to do the final grade extraction, for which we are running workshops, providing further video content, and of course, full written descriptions can be found in Apollo. Thank you for watching.